Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about adverb. इस वीडियो में हम adverb के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे कि adverb किसे कहते हैं. Adverb is one of the parts of speech. It is defined as a word which adds something to the meaning of any part of speech except noun or pronoun is called as adverb. Adverb किसी ऐसे लफ्ज को जुमले में कहा जाता है जो noun यानी इसम या pronoun यानी इसमें ज़मीर के अलावा किसी दूसरे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के मानी में इजाफा करता है. ऐसे लफ्ज को एडवर्ब कहा जाता है. इन अदर वर्ड्स, अ वर्ड विच एड्स समथिंग टू मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब इज कॉल्ड एज एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब किसी ऐसे लफ्ज को कहा जाता है जो या तो वर्ब यानी फेल या फिर एडजेक्टिव यानी इसमें सिफत या किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब की मानी में इजाफा करता है, और ऐसे लफ्ज को फिर हम एडवर्ब कहते हैं. याद रखिए दैट के एडजेक्टिव जनरली नाउन या प्रोनाउन के मानी में इजाफा करता है, जबकि एडवर्ब हमेशा वर्ब या फिर एडजेक्टिव या फिर अनदर एडवर्ब की मानी में इजाफा करता है. एडवर्ब tells us something more about verb, adjective or another adverb, while adjective tells us something about either noun or pronoun. So this is basic difference between adverb and adjective. You can see over here examples. The flower is very beautiful. So here very is adverb. It tells us that how much beautiful flower is. It is very beautiful. Soldiers fight bravely. Bravely is adverb over here. Ali always achieve gold medal in studies. So here always is adverb in this sentence. Remember that adverb answers the question of how, when, where and to what extent in a sentence. ये हमें how, when, where या to what extent का के सवाल का जवाब देता है adverb. For example, he fought bravely. He has fought, but how he has fought? He has fought bravely. So bravely here is adverb. He reached home on Monday. He has reached home, but when? So here Monday works as adverb. It tells us, it answers the question of when. He is outside of home. So here outside is adverb. Similarly, look at this sentence. He is very intelligent. He is intelligent, but up to what extent? So he is very intelligent. Here very is adverb. Adverb usually forms by attaching ly with adjective. For example, जब भी हम adjective के साथ ly ऐड करते हैं adjective की फर्स्ट डिग्री के साथ, तब फिर हमारे पास adverb बनता है. Like brave, by attaching ly, brave it becomes bravely, and bravely is adverb. Similarly, kind, kindly is adverb. Similarly, from honest, honestly is adverb. This was all about adverb. By watching next video, you will learn about conjunction. So don't miss watching the next video and learn another part of speech, which is conjunction. If you have any question regarding adverb, please feel free to comment. Thank you.